Hey guys, it's Trip with IFT, and today I want to show you this really cool personal weather station from Tempest. Check it out. All right, we all have used free weather apps, and the data's never really accurate. They always use this generalized data for your area, but it's never like what's happening in your backyard. How you fix that is getting your own personal weather station. This thing can detect actual heat in your backyard, whether it's raining directly above your backyard, humidity, lightning strikes, wind speed. It's pretty like all encompassing, and it gives you a lot of customization with IFT with all the rest of your other smart home tools. The free app on my phone is saying it's a 60% chance of rain at 5 p.m. or it's raining at 5 p.m. in my area, but it's not actually raining in my backyard. I want my sprinklers to keep running. You know, like it was hot in Tennessee this past summer, and I'm trying to keep my garden live. And if it's not actually raining on there, I want my sprinklers to run. So there's a lot of accuracy that you can really gain from having a personal weather station in your backyard. So I wanted to highlight this. But thanks to Tempest, they sent me one. I'm gonna set it up. It's super easy to set up. And then you can automate all your favorite smart home tools with a Tempest. And let me show you how to do that. So I just unboxed the weather station. It comes with this very portable tool. This thing actually pulls the weather. It knows how much rain's coming from the top. It knows how much with the solar index and how hot it is just from different measurement parts of this device. And then this is the solar charger. This will run without battery for a significant amount of time based on the sun. So you always want to point this north. I'm gonna hook this up on top of a fence post outside. So I gotta raise it up a little bit further from the fence post. I'll show you what I'm doing, but it should be fine and super easy to install. So I'm kind of excited about this. All right. It also comes with these really easy instructions. So the first thing I need to do is download the app that allows me to connect it with everything else inside of IFT. And then also there's tempest.earth/sighting that will teach me where's the best place to put this so that it's capturing weather accurately in my backyard. And then, yeah, it says before final installation, you may want to just start taking weather observations right away. So I can just turn this thing on and let it sit. It'll start capturing weather observations. So then I can actually know if it's working or not. So that's kind of exciting. I'm just starting the app, super easy. I'm allowing location services on here. I'm using an Android, hardware already configured. Let's create an account real quick. I've heard this should really just take less than 5 minutes. I'm enabling the Bluetooth. Next. Oh, cool. So it's asking me to turn this on. So all I'm going to do is switch this to the on button, and then I need to connect it to the hardware piece that's going to be connected to my Wi-Fi. Say set my location. Man, it's pulling up my whole address. This is great. This is super helpful. Show me the weather. I've got all accurate weather in Chattanooga. And then once this is up and running in my backyard, it will give me my personal weather. So I'm really excited. Let's go set it up. All right, guys, I am in my backyard. I'm ready to install this Tempest. Things you got to think about, and they have a really good documentation on their website. I think it's tempest.earth/sighting. You can just read all about that, and it tells you how to set up your Tempest correctly. What they're really worried about is you want it to be as like free and open as possible. Like you want it to kind of be on its own. They didn't like when I thought about setting it up right here because heat could be reflected off of the fence. So what I think I'm gonna do, and throw in the comments if this is a good idea or not, I think I'm just gonna add a couple 2x4s right here to kind of give it some distance and put it above that fence line so that it can pick up better readings on my local weather. So yeah, let's see if that works. All right, guys, it's a little hot outside, but I got the Tempest up. If I had a little bit more time, I would have, cut those 2x4s to make it a little bit even with the rest of the pole, but don't judge me. It was super easy to set up, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, like that took less than 5 minutes. All right, I'm back inside, and as you can tell, just a little bit sweatier, and that's because it is 86, but it feels like 88 here in Tennessee, and that was cool. Super easy, super quick to set up. I want to show you a few automations you can do on IFT with your Tempest. When you have the true accuracy of weather in your backyard to automate your smart home, it makes a lot of things a lot easier. Here we are on the WeatherFlow service page on IFT. If we scroll down, the beautiful part about the Tempest weather system is it saves you a lot of money. So if your WeatherFlow Tempest station detects rain, stop watering your plants. It's as easy as that. You'll save money on your water bill automatically by connecting your Tempest weather station with IFT and your sprinkler system. There's also these connections with your Tempest weather station and Husqvarna auto mower. So if it's raining outside, park the auto mower until the next scheduled start, or park your auto motor during a frost. You also don't want to run your mower if it's freezing outside. Really smart. There's a lot of connections with your weather station and your HVAC system or your blinds on the inside of your house. So close your automated blinds when the sun is very intense. Your weather station detects that and you can automatically close your blinds, which will save money on your heating bill. This one could actually save your house from overloading a breaker. So turn your plug off when lightning is detected. So if you have a lot of smart plugs in your house, automatically turn those off when lightning is detected. You don't want your house to be struck by lightning and then it blows up all of your appliances and you have to redo your main breaker box. But if you turn everything off when lightning is detected, then it's a whole lot safer long term for you and your family. That's it. I'm going to throw a link in the description below where you can get 10% off a Tempest weather system, and throw in a like and a comment on here. Let me know how you're using a Tempest weather station. Let me know if you use weather apps on IFT. I'd love to learn more how you're using it personally. And again, this is Trip with IFT, where everything works better together. Thanks, guys.